Racing just is started. We have Geronimo. First to show quickness at the start. Moving up on the outside. Now is Brazilian Babe. Then on the inside is Delgado. Then next online Aloha Tidal. Then followed over by Carry Over, Power Over, Angelic Boys, Jolly Cash, while Geronimo. Now racing in less by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Delgado. Tidal in the middle portion. Then on the outside, Aloha. 5 lengths further back in fourth comes Brazilian Babe. Carry Over comes next, Power Over. Alongside comes Angelic Boys, Geronimo. While Jolly Cash now racing in less half-mile distance. They traveled. We have Delgado maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Tidal in second. Aloha is racing in fourth. Brazilian Baby is done in fourth. Then next online is Carry Over. Angelic Boys, Power Over, Geronimo. While Jolly Cash is still racing in less. 0 to 4 turn. We have Delgado maintaining a length and a half lead. Tidal now trying to get closer in second. Brazilian Baby like twice now moving up to take third. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Delgado by a length and a half. Tidal, Brazilian Baby is on the outside. We have Delgado, Brazilian Baby now moving up to take the lead. We have Brazilian Babe followed by Delgado, Tidal. Last 50 meters, it's all Brazilian Babe. And finally, it's Brazilian Babe. Second is Delgado, Tidal. Then comes Geronimo, Power Over, and Carry Over.
Between 5 and 3.
1 and 3.
Ang close for fourth.